Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important search engine, a new search engine where it has different types of academic papers. So let us go on to today's video and explore that search engine and how it will generate relevant research papers, especially for our input and keywords. So let us go on to today's video. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are offering internship program on MATLAB fundamentals for electrical engineering. So if you are interested in MATLAB fundamentals and to know more about MATLAB, do subscribe for this internship program and know more about MATLAB, and you will be getting a certificate for this internship program also. So the next internship program is about enhance your research writing with best AI tools. So in this internship program, so you will able to explore different types of AI tools useful for academic writing, research paper writing, project report writing. So if you are interested to know about AI tools and you are get a knowledge about these kind of AI tools, so don't forget to register this internship program. Thank you. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a research paper writing workshop, that is conference and journal paper writing using AI tool on 31 August. So this workshop is to know more about the different types of AI tools useful for academic and research paper writing. So you will be more familiar about different types of AI tools for your academic writing. So don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool that is a search engine. What we are going to discuss today is that, so here you can see that Science.gov. So it's an official website of United States government. So here you can ask anything you want. For example, here you can see these are the federal agency members. So here you can see that. So in this, what you can do is so you can give any input keyword. So according to the keyword, it will generate answers. So for example, I am going to ask about just giving a keyword regarding machine learning. So just to give machine learning. So here you can see that so our search results are generated here. So 42 of 48 sources are completed. So here you can see that these are some of the text related with machine learning. So these are some of the publications which is peer reviewed scholarly articles. So you can give this one, that is public access. So in this you can see that different options, that is different categories related with machine learning keyword will be generated here. So for example, here you can see that a web server for using ensemble docking with machine learning with AI drug discovery. For example, if you want to explore this one, so just click on this paper. So it will lead to a link and it will open where it is present, that is National Library of Medicine. So here you can see this is the paper we have explored here, and you can get the paper also, that is journal article also. So here you can see this is the journal article. So starting from the abstract, title, abstract, and then you can see the introduction part of the paper, and then you can see that. So this is the full paper you can see. So you can see the full paper also. So next I am going to explore some paper. So here you can see that machine learning estimation of maximum vertical velocity from a radar. So if you want to see that paper, so just click on this paper. This paper is present in NSF, that is public access repository. So here you can get this machine learning estimation of maximum vertical velocity from radar. So this is the abstract of the paper. So and you can see that what are the most relevant paper related with the particular topic also will be generated here. So you can explore that kind of paper also. So here you can see that DOA. So using the DOA you can download this paper also. So next I am going to give some other keyword here. So go back. So you can give some other keyword. For example, I am going to give Internet of Things. So like that I am going to give a keyword here. So let us see how it will generate results for us, that is related with Internet of Things. So here you can see that Internet of Things technology and its application in ophthalmology, Internet of Things. So this is general one. So and here you can see these are the text. So and you can see this are the public access articles. So next, these are related with multimedia. There is multimedia in the sense, so here you can see that images and videos, you can get your images and videos also. As far as our research analysis is concerned, so we are in need to search a best reference paper for our research paper writing. So here you can see, here you can see green, Internet of Things and solar energy. So I'm going to click this one. It will lead to the link of that paper, that is National Library of Medicine. So green, Internet of Things and solar energy. Here you can get the abstract of the paper and you can DOI. Next you can get the similar articles related with that paper. So here you can see these are some of the free articles related with the paper. Just to click on this, so you can get that particular paper also. So this is how you can use this search engine Science.gov in order to find the best references for your research paper writing. And also you can get by giving keyword, so you can get whatever the content you want. There are different there is no particular narrowed down search, so it will search what are the things related with the keyword in the databases, and it will give you best results for your search also. So here you can see these are the different categories. So text, public access and multimedia. To select anything you want, and you can get a better that is idea about the papers you have searched for. So and you can sort it by rank, date, author, title also. So if you want, you can use this option, and you can limit to collection. So these are the different types of databases present in this particular Science.gov. Here you can see National Transportation Integrated Search, Science Inventory, Educational Resources Information Center. So NASA Technical Report Server, next PubMed. These are the different sources available. So whatever the collections you need, so you can customize the collections and you can extract the data by giving keywords. So this is how you can use this Science.gov to search for your research paper and get a better that is reference paper for your research paper writing. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Hope you can aware about Science.gov. Many of you not know about this search engine, so make use of this option and make your research paper writing very better and simple. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.